Welcome back to my channel Bike Rider. Today the Honda CB Shine 125cc commuter motorcycle, covering its key specs, features, and what makes it a worthy choice for the daily rider. Engine and performance. The bike is powered by a 123.94cc single-cylinder, air-cooled engine. Power output is around 10.7 PS, approximately equals 7.9 kilowatts, at approximately 7,500 revolutions per minute, with maximum torque of 11 Nm at around 6,000 revolutions per minute. It uses a 5-speed manual gearbox, giving more flexibility than older 4-speed commuter bikes. With a curb weight of about 113 kilograms, it remains light and manageable for city traffic and everyday use. What this means: for your daily commute in and around Rahim Yar Khan or similar Pakistani, Punjab terrain, the bike offers a good balance of modest power and light weight, ideal for traffic and stop-and-go situations. The 5-speed gearbox adds a bit more flexibility when things open up or when carrying a pillion. Design, ergonomics and comfort. The 2026 model brings updated styling, a bold front visor with chrome trim, premium side covers with chrome accents, and the overall look remains clean but slightly more premium. Seat length is around 651 mm, giving decent space for both rider and pillion. Ground clearance about 162 mm, which is helpful on rougher roads. Standard features include a side stand engine cutoff, safety feature that prevents engine from running with side stand down, and an ACG-type silent start. What this means: the ergonomics are commuter-friendly, upright riding posture, easy ground touch, manageable for everyday use. The premium styling touches make it more than just a bare-bones commuter bike. On Pakistani roads, uneven surfaces, patches, the decent ground clearance helps. Features and safety. The bike comes with a DC headlamp, analog digital instrument console, depending on region, and an engine start-stop switch. Braking. It offers options of front disc or drum brake depending on variant. Both come with a combined braking system, CBS, in many markets, which improves safety by linking front and rear braking. Tires. 18-inch wheels with tubeless tires in many markets, which is good for puncture resistance. What this means: for the price segment, these features are attractive. The CBS adds a level of safety not always present in commuter bikes. The no-nonsense headlight, starter switch, and manageable instrumentation make it easy to live with. For Pakistani riding, the tubeless tires and larger wheels are a plus. Efficiency and practicality. Fuel tank capacity is 10.5 liters, which is adequate for city use. Mileage. Real world, many owners report around 55 kilometers per liter in Indian conditions. Light curb weight, manageable dimensions. Length approximately 2046 mm, width approximately 728 mm, wheelbase approximately 1285 mm. What this means: given fuel price sensitivity in Pakistan, the Shine is a strong choice for economy. With an approximately 10.5-liter tank and solid mileage, you'll get good range between fill-ups for city commuting. The size makes it easy to maneuver through traffic and park in tight spaces. Considerations. While the features are good for the segment, it doesn't have the high-end tech, full digital display, LED lighting, smartphone connectivity that some newer bikes may offer. For highway speeds or heavy pillion plus cargo use, the 125cc engine is modest, expected to be tuned more for city commute rather than high performance. Availability of after-sales service and spare parts in Pakistan, Rahim Yar Khan, should be checked. Make sure a reliable dealership or workshop is nearby. Summary. The 2026 Honda CB Shine is a refined, reliable commuter bike that blends practicality, decent performance and good economy. Its combination of a 125cc engine, 5-speed gearbox, commuter-friendly ergonomics and safety features like CBS make it a very sensible daily rider. Especially in a market like Pakistan where